My name is Michael Brown, and I'm from the San Francisco Bay Area. I've been working in the hospitality industry almost all my life. I found the dinking through the internet, and I did my research, finding that would be the best school to go to and to spend my money at, get the best education. Well, obviously the first week is kind of frustrating, but then you keep learning and learning to read the light. And we first started on hoods and working on hoods and pushing dents there, and then we got a little bit better, and your confidence builds, and you just keep practicing, there's the learning curve, obviously, and move on to the cars, and they have you working in different areas, from a door to a quarter panel to fenders to roofs to hoods, and you kind of learn how to work the different types of metal, and you build your confidence. The second week we work on real cars. They have obviously real dents, and they're making sure that we get everything 100% and customer ready. Oh yeah, absolutely. You definitely feel a little more, okay, this is a customer's car. I got to be taking a lot more care. The hood was a good place to learn. You can make the mistakes. You can crack the clear coat or push too high. It was a good learning tool because it's going to go into the scrap. So might as well make your mistakes there, and then obviously you be as careful as possible on the customer's car. Oh, I want to open my own business. I want to do a mobile business. I already have a little bit of detailing experience under my belt and some body shop. I believe this would be a good tool to add to the toolbox and start my own business, doing mobile. Thank you very much, though. I really enjoyed the whole experience. Everybody's been quite pleasurable, friendly, helpful, from James to Lee to Todd, and Oleg as well.